guys, what's up? So in this quick video I'm going to show you how you can get bunny ears in your Bitmoji. Okay, let's take a picture. Okay, let's go to sticker. I need a white background here. Okay, then let's go to sticker again. Okay, let's go to Bitmoji. I need a selfie picture. Okay, this will do, I guess. Yep. Okay, then go back to sticker again. Now we want bunny ears. Okay, choose whatever you want. Okay, let's choose this one. Choose whatever you want. Okay, let's take a screenshot. Okay, I'll be cropping it. Okay, let's save it. Okay, let's try to use it. Okay, it's looking okay. Okay, and we are done. So that's it, guys. Likewise, you can get bunny ears for your Bitmoji. So thanks for watching the video, guys. See you in the next video.